In this video, I show you how to uninstall, remove, delete Candy Race Launcher. For doing this, open your Play Store app. Now search for Candy Race Launcher. Tap on it. Then OK. Now uninstall from here. If you cannot find it on Play Store, then go to your settings. Then go to apps. Then tap on Candy Race Launcher. Scroll down. Then find out Home app. Tap on it. And go back to your phone launcher. Then settings again. Then apps. Then tap on Candy Race Launcher. Then tap on uninstall. Then OK. Now I hope that you successfully remove delete Candy Race Launcher from your Android phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.